I think they're ideal, and the simple reason is the employers want change, and as long as then with these new qualifications that the employers pick learners from the pool that we are producing, because they are their qualifications. As employers have been a big part of these qualifications. The qualification will make people multi-skilled at the beginning, and we want the employers then to take from this talent pool, because it's their quals, so we want them to take from that pool. Well, they've been written around the modern workplace. It means a lot of time gone into these. Knowledge of the history of the building industry is there, but also new technologies that are coming along, like the computerized technologies. I mean, the construction industry has changed drastically from when I was an apprentice, and for the better. And I think it's the way forward. It has to be.
So from an employer's point of view, from the discussions that we have, we sit down with an employer board where we get the employers to discuss on industry needs and what qualifications that they would like to see their employees going on. And everybody seems to be chasing these days a multi-skilled person, and they would like to employ people which is they're going to be more employable because they know more trades. So that'll be beneficial for them as well.
The foundation qualifications including 2 different trades. So for instance, like bricklaying, plastering, wet trades together, perhaps carpentry joined with another trade, perhaps plumbing or electrics, would fit in perfectly with the industry now, with housing, fitting kitchens, things like that. And to be able to train across multi-trades is invaluable, especially for learners at our levels, at kind of level 1, entry levels, leading up to trade qualifications. It's only going to benefit them and us as tutors being able to take those qualifications forward. The benefit for employers, certainly within Wales, to employ locally trained people who are working in their own communities, in Wales, is huge.
It'll benefit the employers because if they come out of it and they're good in both, then there's 2 men for 1, basically. If they can adapt to other trades, then it's all well and good for the employer.